Today we're going to take a look at the Baby Lock exclusive wave stitch on your serger. Overlock needle thread up through the O2, O1 thread spot and click into the tension disc. Through the O1 threading path, thread our needle. The next thread we're going to do is our upper looper through the thread mast. In the O2 tension disc, we're going to go under to the upper looper port and thread. Last thread on the lower looper, bring it up, click it into the lower looper tension disc, slide it under, put it in the lower looper port, press our button. Our needle is in the O2 position. Let's take a look at our wave stitch. So here's what our rolled wave stitch looks like. So it's a complete stitch on the front and the back and has a great look to finish any project you choose.